How you doing, my beautiful Jays? Welcome back to my home. Mi casa es tu casa. And if you want to know my home, and today I am trying some new product in my face. Like, you guys know that I am not a pro into makeup. Even worse, trying to pick up my foundation or my concealer or my powder and all that stuff. The only thing I'm a pro at is finding my eyebrow pencil. I found this L'Oreal Paris New True Color True Match Super Bendable Makeup in the warm color. I like it because it has sunscreen SPF 17 and it's all free all day wear. And this is number WH. Same powder in the same color. True Match. Can't even see. Super blendable. Multiple use concealer. So yeah, guys, we are gonna give it a try. One thing I want to say that I like this already because it's a retractable one. And then this one, the powder has little compact metal in the bottom with the sponge, and then the powder is in the top, which I like because you don't keep them together at all. So yeah. Now for my eyebrows, I like to pick up the Brow Stylist Shape and Fill Lower Parrot, and it looks like this. So I'm gonna take it out of the box and show you the tip. So this is how the tip look, and this is okay. Okay guys, so what I love about this foundation the most was that I didn't have to touch it at all throughout the day and it didn't get cakey at all. I also love how the light bounces in my face when I'm taking pictures with my Canon. I totally love how it looks. So I totally recommend this foundation. So yeah, guys, all I want to say is thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.